picture today starts from here. Ting tang ting tang. We are here at the border town. Today we are starting our video from this end. I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It actually depends the place you're watching me from. Today's video is another special video. I just arrived here at the hardware. I wanna purchase some. I wanna buy some cement for the orphanage. And today is another amazing work that's going to be done. We're going to continue with the upper floor and down floor and the upper construction. So today, as you see, we are here, and I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends on the place you're watching us from. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. I'm still under the birthday mood, though despite that we never celebrated as close, but I really appreciate the gift of life. That's the what matters a lot. And also for each and every person who wished Claude just for happy birthday. May Almighty God bless you abundantly. So we are here at the hardware, and I want to have some cement, and we will be taking them to the orphanage, and also want to show you what's the work of today, what's the new look of today. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about the work that is ongoing. And please, if we are all human, if you see Claude maybe doing something wrong, or if you see maybe anybody doing something wrong, you can reach out and say, oh Claude, man, that's not what's supposed to be done, please rectify this. As we said the other day that we are doing what we call like putting a door for the outside area. I talked with Pastor Ace about it. She said it's okay. And also I talked to Gilberto, and Gilberto said we'll do the door once we have fabricated the door, and it will be cut. Meanwhile, let us start doing what we call like put that money into the floor and the upper side, because the plan of the house was to come like this house. Do you see how this is a mosque? Yeah, this is a mosque that is being built. So the plan of this house, it's in a box form. It is in a box form. That means like it's a hidden roof. So actually, with my idea, I thought it was just like a slant roof, but according to what I've been told, it was a hidden roof. So that's why you see it keep on going up. But today they'll finish with that, and then today they'll be starting the floor. Others will be finishing up, and then we'll keep on sharing with you and how everything is. So let us do what we call like have our cement, and we'll see what's going on around. Also have some nails, but we have nails around. Auntie, good morning. Yes. Patia nini? Cement. 10 bags of cement. Yes guys, we are only and transport kama uko naye. Mambo vipi? You good? Yeah guys, so we are here, and I really love to come this place. And nitapata transport leo, sina hata ya 10 ya kwenda. Sina hata, na wao wameniambia wanaleta machuma huko, wanapeleka machuma sijui wapi. Tafadhali nipeleke huko orphanage jamaa. Ni aje? Hiyo sio yangu. Let me pay. Yes. Peke yake tafadhali. So guys, we're having the receipt, because this one it hasn't been signed, so I have to offer it to this guy called Pastor, so that the moment he receives the receipts, at the moment I receive the cement, he'll tick and do something. He's a very good guy actually. That's how you see the video operate here. So today, because no transport of this, I have to wait for this tuk-tuk. They always have what we call like delivery of the tuk-tuk, but sometimes when it's always having running errands up and down, running some errands, and you know at the orphanage we always need some cement. So today is early morning, and I had to come and tell them, man, today you have to do a delivery for our cement, and that's why you see they told me they have to take this first, so I have to wait for them, and then we wanna continue with an amazing job. And my prayer is to each and every person who is watching here, please make sure you subscribe, like. Tuko kazi. Yes, you are doing your job well, good. That's how you see people doing it, guys. So let's wait and see you as we go to the office. Alright. Guys, as you see, we are packing this cement. Those are 3 of them. And the more to come. So today we have to go with this. Alright. That's how you see. And then we'll be proceeding. So we'll be sharing with you the way I'll be moving on towards the orphanage. Slowly by slowly, easy. You know. Definitely this is what you'll see. They have to sign and tick so that when they are parking, that's how it should be. And also the date, 18th. So let's move on and see how we are moving. Still we are saying much condolences to the Vice Prime Minister, the Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister family. As we keep on eulogizing with them. May Almighty God strengthen them and give them strength to bear the pain as we keep on with us building the nation on this other end. It's very sad, the country of Kenya, and also worldwide, because he was well known worldwide for his hard work and revolutionary about Kenya. He has brought more changes. So may his soul rest in peace, because they always say heroes don't die, heroes live forever. His legacy will be traced down for generation and generation. So let's keep on moving. Alright guys, let's go. Yeah, so guys, we are going. We just left over here and now we are going slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly, and we keep on moving easy. Our cements are in front and we'll be going. Alright guys. So we have our cements. That's how you see. There's our beautiful town over here. So we are keeping on taking the cements back. You know, every single day. That's how you see work. Alright guys, let's go and I'll share with you the village, typical village life. Right now we thank God that it's raining, so we will be having sufficient sun. Let's pray for that. When it rains, we get sun. Jamaica, this is Kenya, Africa, to be specific. Isibania Nyabohanse, but this end it's now located at Isibania, Kohego, Bingwiti. But I love the fact that it's very green and very nice. We are cutting all across, guys. Look at how green this place is. We are not trying to say, oh, this is now not Nyabohanse, or this is now Nyabohanse, or this is what. No, we keep on moving in regardless, you know. And that's why I'm really urging you all, guys, that you keep on helping, keep on supporting, donate when the work will be done accordingly. My dream is to see actually that orphanage at the boys' room dormitory has been plastered well, okay, equipped. Even if you say, oh Claude, now it's enough, it should be enough. But let's keep on helping and helping. You see, yesterday was a Friday and it was a holiday, you know. most of the offices were not working. See, there's a school here. It's called Barbary School, and we are moving on slowly, but and this place actually usually rain here a lot. I'm telling you, a lot. It usually rains here a lot. Wow. See, hardworking mamas are at the farm. They're working. Hey. Where? We have a very nice neighborhood. There's a guy with his or her own bricks working. And one thing I love about this village is every homestead is connected with electricity. Every home is connected with electricity. But the funny thing is, heading towards the orphanage, there's no electricity, man. You know, that's the most funniest thing. But around here, electricity, they have even a transformer. Look, electricity is passing all the way downwards to the other end, but to the orphanage, no. Maybe one day it will be there, so let's hope for the best. Alright guys, let's move and see. So guys, that's how you see, and we are almost there. Voila. So we are moving, and the maize are really laughing. The latest updates. The wind is windy. So we are just almost there in a few. That's how you see. Let me open the gate. Guys, we are here and the cements are here. They have just arrived. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hata mwezi tuongeza simiti hata moja. Simu mnatuongeza. You add us even one cement. You see where we are taking them. We are taking them here at the orphanage. You people, you can donate even one cement. Take this suggestion to the big boss.
Need to talk with boss.
The boss.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell the boss, please. You know, every boss has his own boss.
Yeah.
So we'll tell the boss, please, boss, can you even give us even 2 cements, because we always buy from you, so that we. No, unteach, Omer, unteach. The guy is telling me that I shouldn't be dirty. No, unteach. We are at the job. Don't worry. No? So that's how you see, and then later on we are putting them in the store. Because the girl who always open and close, and that's how it's supposed to be. So they are being put down for a moment. Yeah. So slowly, and then we put up in the store. Hewa kugamba jomba. In benyo dolu omera. Amapunji dolu. Maxoda seva. So guys, that's how you see, and we're working, and things are moving on well and nicely. Good morning. Akuona. Akava kieki nyunyi. Guys, you see today the work is ongoing. Uko salama? Salimia watu hapo. Sawa. Leo nifikiri unakuja na kofia. Itabidi ununuliwe ile mason cap. Aya. Sawa. Guys, as you see yesterday what they did over here, and this day today they are trying to put up also sand, and let me share with you what's the inside. As you can see, the inside also it's going. Boss wangu vipi? Kazi? Mko poa? Sasa mnatengeneza tindue. Alafu guys, you see also the other way This was as you see the other time when the masons were making this, so we have to have a very nice level again. It should be compressed down, and then we are putting screeding here. Sawa. We'll be putting concrete. Today we have to start with the floor, also in here for the floor, and then we check on what's going on. So the whole rooms today will going to be floor, and then we can stop for a Sunday. So on a Monday we can come and start now the plastering. That's why I'm telling you, please, if you really feel like you can donate, please donate. The money is going on a good purpose. Nobody's squandering money here. As long as you say this money I've donated towards the boys dormitory, that's how it will be. Yeah, and that's how things will go on. Yeah, guys. Came for 2 spades from home. Just arrived home here, and I just came to pick 2 spades because today it's that day of doing what you call like making the floor to look good. So I just came for the spades, and now I'll be heading back, and we check on how you say bye. Say bye. Yeah, so I wanna be heading back, take these spades to the orphanage. Alright guys, they're really waiting for this. What are you having? She? Okay. Slowly as we proceed back to the orphanage. Yeah, let's go. So you see we are keep on moving slowly. The spades are back. CJ is here. And proceed. This road, hey. Alright guys. Yes, look. Now this one. It's very much okay, so it should be this way. Now the ballast is going to come in here, as you see, and also over here. Kwani Caleb mnatoa hii wapi ndani? Hapa ndani. Sioni ulichimba hii kitu. So they are removing all that is. Oh, so they are removing what is in here to be in here. So our dream is to see these rooms complete, and there will be a door here or there. So they're taking it from here, take it inside there so that they can compact it, and then we put the concrete down today, and then in a few days the rooms will be like this, you know. Yeah, kazi mzuri ama kazi mzungu. Work is doing very nice. Okay, and the rest are finishing up the other side. Hey. Guys, there's something that is going on here. What's going on here? Hey guys, as you see, this is ballast. It's a mixture of sand, ballast and cement. So that's what you see today, the big day. What you see around, and this is what's happening around here, you know? So they are already done with the upper side. So today these rooms are going to be, they're going to put the concrete down, and this is what you see. Boys being boys, you know, cannot plaster the other side because of this end. Wade tuende kwa maji. Kazi kila sehemu, kila mtu aingia kazi ndani. Kila mtu aingia ndani bwana. Kabisa. So you see the other side is top. And also wewe kama utaki nenda ulale, si pesa iko. Kama utaki kazi unaenda, tutapewa 50 yako ya maandazi. Ya maandazi tu. Haya, hii hapa. Utaacha? This guy just looked all at me. Untie wo imoroka, wakelo pi. Guys, this is what you see. Yeah, so let's wait and see what's happening. Already the work is going to start right now, and they will be finishing. It's breaking the ship. Yeah. That's what you see, guys. I'll be about to showing the boys how to do it. And as you see, the white thing is cement. So, that's how it's going. Easy. And the other room, let's really see what's going on. Easy. And
Yes. It's a good battle.
Yeah.
On
stage.
Yes. I'm on the board.
On the board. You are in the kitchen, cooking for them to eat. Yeah. This is called concrete. Hey. Anapika ugali. Zege. So the mixture of sand, cement, and ballast is called concrete. As you see there now, what he's doing is concrete. You know, easy peasy. Slowly. Work, man, at work, man. You know? Amazing.
Yeah, I have to show example practically. Role model. Remember thinking about architecture and construction. I'm sweating right here. Just welcome to subscribe, share, like.
Starting from this. To shoot. Tema. Semaji. So you see already the floor is compacted, and that's what you see what's happening around. So first room done, so what's being awaited is for it to dry. Maybe on Monday it will be plastered, you know. So this is really reducing work slowly and easily. over there. So they're also in the other room, and then it will be finished, and then we come this other side. So today all these rooms will be foot floor, and then now we can wait for the plastering of all rooms. You know, that's when you see men at work. Sawa. Niongee nini? Unajua kazi yangu. Yako sawa. Naona vile watu wanapiga kazi. Kumbe unajifanyange ati ujui kazi. Kumbe unajua. Ndio nimekusoma. Na nimepitia hapo. Wewe lazima nione kufuata. Ila kwa roho yangu nitaka kumimina. Takufuata. Yaani makosa. Hata hapa niliambia useme kutoka kwa nyumba. Lakini anenda. Naona wakati watu wameacha kazi yao. Wamekuja kuangalia ngozi anavyofanya. The boss is corroborating. Mtu anapiga. Somebody is calling you. As you see now, yeah, we are continuing with the choreography. The boss is here with the chef. Hey, hey, wale ya. Sani utoke bwana. Sema nini? Kiingereza doro. Kwani kijaluo hapo ni kichapa. Mbaya sana. As you see, Steve is corroborating the cocoto. That's okay. Tenga post. Anafanya recording. Yes, unaikata. Post tena ni. This is what you see around. Maybe tupunguza job. This is the other room that was plastered the other day. So they were doing the floor, and then Fund is doing his work also on this other end. So this is the only remaining room that will be done over here. The other one is already ready and it is closed from the other end, as you can watch. So yeah. So also the other side, the outside, the handymen are already tired. They're saying, okay man, it's time to go home. And also it looks very nice from the outside. So we'll be doing the plastering. So let Gilberto do the estimation, and we tell you how much money do we need for us to complete the plastering in and out, so that we can focus on other thing, maybe paint or maybe window paints. You know, when even if it's plastered this way and it is well washed, and then we put the window panes, kids can really sleep in just like that, as we continue, or as we focus on other stuffs, you know. So that's why I'm with Gilberto, and I'm asking Gilberto, please do an estimation, because if every day we would be like, okay, we need this money, we are stuck, we are resuming back, and we don't have a really estimate of how much money do we need, or how much cements, or how much, what we call like funds, do we need for us to continue here. It will really be exhausting, because you as a subscriber or as a donor, you'll be saying, okay, I've sent 20 or I've sent 30, but still they are still asking for more and more and more money. Maybe that might sound as greedy. So what we're just trying to do is let Gilberto do the estimation, and we keep on telling you on what's happening, ending this video on this other end. But the house really looks okay right now, and we keep on moving. All right, so Gilberto is paying. So Gilberto is paying the people, and that's how you see the masons. Mrati hena mbere ya kamera ma kana kyo ba 400 for
400. All handmen ways. All the bad people handmen.
Hey, why is your phone working? And why is your actually Gilberto has done the estimation of what will be really done to the completion of everything, including that gutter, and what should be done and what should not be done. Yes, Gilberto.
Yes. How are you?
We are good.
So I wanna maybe state this briefly. Is a brief or a rough estimation about what next, and the remaining job is a little bit costly to my eyes, because I was dealing with a rough estimation about it, and I can deliver to you that maybe we need 93 bags of cement. Yeah.
That each bag cost what?
950, which are 88,350 Kenya shillings. And we need to add some tippers of sand, which are in number two size, which is able to build and doing plastering. So 2 tippers, each one is 10,000. Like yesterday, I paid, and I have all instruction, even information through my transaction. Yeah. And we need 6 steel D10. D10 of size, which I included the transportation fee, 950 plus 50 for transport is 6 pieces, which are 6,000, and we need some timbers a size of 6 by 1, 6 inch by 1 inch, which are by feet are 400 feet by 25 each. Which are the total of amount of 10,000. Okay, and we read the a line of masons and helpers. A rough estimation of how many days it can cost us to finish all remaining touches is about 42 times or 42 days. I consider it when I estimate use one mason with one together with one helper. So the total is coming with.
So one mason can.
Yeah, one mason, one helper. So, but during job, we can we have to mix some masons at maybe to make easier.
So one if one mason can take 42 days.
Can take 42.
So
42
which
days,
means
42
10 or 5 masons can take lesser.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That's how we do.
Okay.
And we multiplied 42 times 1,300 because plastering is another kind of job. Yeah, because we are dealing with the height and whatever. So we consider we prefer 1,300 like I do. Always I do. The price of daily payment differ depending of which type of job we're dealing with.
Yeah.
Okay, I found 54,000. Yeah, flat, and about helpers, I found 25,200 each. And the rough estimation in terms of total, I found 203,550.
So that's roughly like $1,700.
Yes.
That's a rough estimate of $1,700 can finish
around
everything inside and outside.
Yes.
All right.
But remember, it's without painting and making some maybe
Window
glasses.
pane and
Yes.
okay.
That.
Yeah, so let's wait and see, guys. That's why I wanted to tell you because every day if you'll be crying, we don't have money, we have done this, we have left this. So just the rough estimation comes 203,000. Yeah.
And I wanna make this briefly information about what is remaining on my pocket, in my pocket. Okay, 3 days. 3 days working. I was here since day one. Was the 16th October 2025. Okay. For now, until now, I've used 27,300 Kenya shillings.
All right.
So on my budget, my main budget was the money I've sent from Esther was 30,000.
30,000, all right. Yeah.
So you can subtract to yourself 30,000 minus 27,300. The remaining money is 2,700.
All right.
So that is the remaining money in my pocket.
Yeah.
About that amount that Esther sent to me.
All right.
But remember, these are money without maybe subtracting
Transaction.
some transaction that have been in M-Pesa transaction.
Okay.
So that is except my transaction.
All right.
That is 2,700.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
The remaining money. It's a channel.
Yeah.
It's a home channel.
Yeah.
Noah's Boat
House of
Refuge channel.
Absolutely.
Please show.
Guys, it's evening time. I'm heading back home. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. Late evening over here. I'm heading back home. So thank you so much. Be blessed. I'm with my spirit. And we're heading home. God bless you all and bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Alright, guys. This is what you see. Yeah. See you guys on the next video.